They say
This was embarrassing. My dad was just coming downstairs and I was like, no, I'm vlogging.
and it came, and it came, and it came, and it came.
Good morning, everybody. So today I'm gonna do another what I eat in a day video. I am still at home. I don't know if you guys can see. There's a lot of snow in my backyard. Yay! So much snow. I love the snow in Canada and I love being home when it's snowing because it just like reminds me that you live in Canada. Alright guys, so super simple breakfast because I do have to go and do class very soon. So here I just have a 2 quinoa rice cakes, and one of them I put some smashed avocados with a little bit of this seasoning, which I used to love when I lived in Canada. I used to put this on my hummus and it was awesome as just like some sort of a seasoning on top of dips and rice cakes. So it's called the Onion Plus from Clubhouse. I left this rice cake blank because I was thinking I can either finish my avocado or I can put some of this like maple sunflower butter that I've been obsessed with from the Wild Friends on it. And then I just have a quick little orange over here for if I want some fruit, because I love having fruit in the mornings, but we don't have any on hand. So this we got at Whole Foods, and on the side of that I just have a very small but very warm bowl of porridge, kind of like oatmeal. It's always nice to have like a warm bowl of oatmeal in the winter time because I don't know, for some reason like having something warm just soothes my stomach in the mornings. So yes, I'm gonna get into my breakfast. And it's finally time to eat. So usually this is the time where I would go onto my phone, check some emails, or as what I like to do on holidays is go onto Pinterest and kind of browse around some motivational quotes to start off the day. And because someone is an oat addict, she came back with another bowl of oatmeal. And as I told you guys before, I love putting almond butter or any sort of nut butter into my porridge. So I absolutely love putting this into my porridge. And also in my date, I got another date because I'm date obsessed. I am still eating. I actually should really hurry up, but I'm actually quite hungry, so you know what? Class is just gonna have to wait today till I finish my breakfast. Because guys, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. So now it is time for a little bit of a ballet class, and it's always very hard to get myself started, but I love taking class by myself on breaks just to stay in shape. Hello, so I just finished class and now we are on Mom's car. We're going out for a late lunch and I think we're gonna go for dim sum now, and I'm just gonna show you Toronto. It's like beautiful weather with a lot of snow. I mean, it's freezing cold outside, but there's sun and the weather, I mean the sky's very clear and very blue. And here's Mom, and we just arrived at our favorite dim sum place. We always come here whenever I am home. She takes me here and we have the best chats and food. Oh guys, the food here is freaking amazing. This is one thing I love about Toronto. They have so much amazing food and amazing Chinese cuisine. I have to say, hands down, Toronto, oh my gosh, I missed you. We ordered so much food, but here I have to share with you one of my absolute favorites. This is a vegan dumpling, and it has a filling of spinach and marinated mushrooms, And oh my gosh, guys, this is freaking amazing. Now it's time for dinner, and this made me so happy because my parents were cooking together and they were both making my favorite dishes growing up as a kid. And yeah, so mom's cooking here and dad is helping, and here are two of my absolute favorite dishes growing up. One is a super simple stir-fried cabbage, and the other one is a tomato cauliflower. Super simple, but totally reminds me of my childhood. Time to eat, and it is the best just being able to sit with my parents again. Always look forward to this moment when we can sit down all together as a family and just eat some food that, you know, I remember growing up with. So super cozy time. And time for a little late night workout. Sorry guys, so anyways, just finished working out. I'm actually really awake now. I was like super sleepy right before working out, and it felt really nice. I listened to some music, cleared my mind a little. I don't know if you guys do that too, but like for me, for like just stamina working out and like for example being on the treadmill, I feel like I don't know, in a way it's very relaxing for me. And it makes me feel quite nice afterwards, so I can barely talk right now. I was listening to a lot of T-Swifty, so I'm a Taylor Swift fan here, right here, Selena Gomez fan too, and Ariana Grande fan, like a huge fan of everybody. So I'm gonna go take a shower because I'm pretty gross right now, as you can see. My hairstyle, I should actually show you guys, I should do a tutorial on this fantastic dinosaur hair. So yes, thank you so much for listening to me blab on and on about crazy stuff, and I hope you guys don't find my vlogs boring. I'm not sure, this is kind of just me, so I'm a bit of a cuckoo. So anyways, if you stayed till now and still watching, like seriously, kudos to you, and thank you. So alright guys, I'm gonna go. Bye!